Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Getsockopt error in Minecraft. So let's get started. This error is actually a network-related issue, not a problem with your mods or Minecraft installation. So you don't need to worry about game files being corrupted. First, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Try temporarily turning off the firewall for both private and public networks and then check if the issue is still there. If the problem continues, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now look for Java Platform SE binary. Make sure all Java-related entries are allowed on public networks. After that, find Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher in the list. Make sure both are enabled for private and public networks. If you don't see Minecraft or the launcher listed, you'll need to add them manually by browsing to your Minecraft installation folder and selecting the executable files. Next, fix your DNS settings. Open Network Connections, right-click your active internet connection, and go to Properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Make sure IPv6 is disabled, then open IPv4 settings and choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the DNS to Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes. If the issue is still not fixed, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following commands. IP protocol configuration /flushtens. Netch winsock reset. After that, restart your PC and check Minecraft again. If nothing works, you can try a network routing tool like ExitLag. It can help stabilize your connection by optimizing routes to the game servers. You can create an account, download it, and apply the Minecraft route settings. It usually offers a trial period so you can test if it resolves the issue before subscribing. That's it. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more fixes.